guys, welcome back to another episode of Eat What You Know and Know What to Eat. This is Abiola from Gasper.com. If you are new on this page, you are most welcome. Please, for you to be a member of this family, click the follow button up there. That will make you a member. And if you are watching this from YouTube, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, please. Yes, today is going to be a very special episode, and in 4 days time, Thanksgiving is going to be celebrated. Thanksgiving began as a day of celebrating the blessings of the harvest of the preceding year. So it's been celebrated in some parts of the world like Canada, United States, Brazil, and so many others. So this celebration is a very big one. People come together, they dine, they wine, they eat, they celebrate, they marry. There is a food attached to it. So we're going to be considering the nutritional fact label of those food that will be eaten, that is usually eaten on that very day, like turkey, mashed potatoes, stuffing. They use stuffing to cook the turkey, and they also use gravy, turkey gravy, pumpkin pie, cranberry sauce, mac and cheese. So there are a lot, but today we are going to be evaluating few of their nutritional fact label. If you are interested in this, don't go away, keep watching, and I'll be right back. So guys, welcome back. So these are all the food I was able to get, and let's get right into looking at their nutritional fact label. So here the first thing I have is what I told you the other time. I said turkey gravy, and I have about 3 of this. You have brown gravy, you have roasted turkey gravy, and just turkey gravy with other natural flavor. So here is 20 calories per serving, and then 7 is just 1 tablespoon. And in this tree we are going to be checking just the sodium, because that's what seasoning is all about, sodium. So here the seasoning is about 360 milligram, which is 16%. That means taking about 1 tablespoon of this and adding to your turkey, you will be getting 16% from this. Then this is 11%, and it also has the same 20 calories, but this you get 2 teaspoons. You can see up there, 2 teaspoons. From the 2 teaspoons you get 11%, which is 260 milligram. This has 360 milligram. And the last one is 20 calories, the same thing, with about 1 teaspoon. You get 1 teaspoon of this. What is 1 teaspoon of this will give you 15%, which is 340 milligrams. So that is what you get from this. So if you have tried any of this, let me know, and let me know your choice. So that is it about the turkey gravy. They just had this to season the turkey to make it delicious. So I got 3, and I think the one with the lowest sodium is this, that has if you use 1 tablespoon, you get 360, and tablespoon is more than teaspoon. If you use 1 tablespoon, you get 360, but if you use 1 teaspoon of this, you get 340, and of this you get 260 milligram. Yeah, that's it. Let's move right to the mashed potato. This is mashed potato. This is just potato that has been processed, and just cook it. You don't need to stress yourself peeling the potato or anything like that. I think most people use this, that's why I get this. If it were to be me, I would just get the normal potato, the whole potato, then I peel, I cook and mash it. But this, I just want us to because that one I couldn't get the nutrition fact on it. So this one has the nutritional fact, and then it's a little bit different because, as you can see, there is 2 rows. The first one is per serving, 80 per serving, and the second one is as prepared. They said as prepared. And what do they mean as prepared? That is, they gave us some instructions here. These instructions, if you follow these instructions, that means this is what you are going to be getting for your nutrition fact. That means if you use what do they have here? If you use water, half cup, margarine, salt, milk, and flakes, this is what you'll be getting. So let's just go into that right away. And here the sodium is 20 milligram for the uncooked, but if you cook it, you get, I mean, if you use their preparation method here, this is what you'll be getting, 230 milligram for 10%. And then does it have fiber? It has about 1 gram, just 1 gram, and every other thing. It is very high in potassium, which is 382, will give you 8% if you use their preparation method. No cholesterol, no trans fat, no total fat, I mean no saturated fat, and no trans fat. That's it. So this is mashed potatoes. They also eat this on Thanksgiving Day. This is green beans, and let's look at the nutrition fact. The serving size is half cup, and the whole serving size in this container is 3.5, that is 3.5 servings per serving, I mean per container. And the sodium is 290 milligram. The total carb is 3 grams. The included sugar is 0. The protein is 1 gram, nothing much. Focus. While the potassium is 60 milligram. So if I were to eat this, I will go for the fresh one, but because I couldn't find the nutrition fact on the fresh one, so I decided to get this so I can share it with you guys. I think the only difference is the sodium that is being added, which is just to preserve it. So if you want to go for the fresh one or this one, that is your choice. So the other one I have here is cranberry sauce. This is jellied. I've never eaten this, never in my life. This is cranberry sauce, and the calorie is 110. The serving size is 1/4 cup. The serving per container, I mean the whole of this, is 6 servings. So the total sugar is 25 grams, which is very high, and it includes 24 grams of added sugar, which is about 48%. 48%. So if you are eating 1/4 cup, you get 48%, but if you are eating half of a cup, you get 96%, which is about the whole sugar you have to eat in a day. So this is cranberry sauce. I've never tasted this. I will try and open it and see how it tastes like. This is the macaroni, and this is the cheese. So this is what they used to prepare mac and cheese. So this is the cheese, and the cheese has about 110 calories for 1/4 cup, and the sodium that is added here is 170 milligram, while the total sugar is 0 and no sugar is included. What do we have important in the micronutrients? We have the calcium. It's very high in calcium. It has about 180 milligrams, which is 15%. So this is the cheddar cheese. There are other types of cheese. We have mozzarella and so many others. So, and this is the macaroni. Has about 200 calories for 2 ounces, that is 56 grams. And the soluble fiber, see, this is divided into soluble and insoluble fiber. The soluble fiber is 2 grams, the insoluble fiber is 1 grams. Yeah, so the total carbs is 42 grams, and which is 15%. in the micronutrient. The folate is very high, 50%. So this is mac and cheese. So this is just to cook mac and cheese. And the last thing we have here is ready to roast turkey. This is the main thing, an old bone-in turkey breast. So this is already ready to roast. You just put it in your oven and you are good to go. So let's quickly check what the nutrition fact says. So here the calories is 170, the cholesterol is 75 milligram, which is 25%, for about 4 ounces, and the protein is 29 grams. It's very high, 58%. It has a lot of iron, which is 10%, and this is already prepared. So you just watch out for the sodium, which is 320 milligram and is in 14%. So you will see there is calories from fat, and the other side says okay. Oh, I think it has the gravy inside. As you can see up there, say turkey breast and then gravy. It also has gravy inside. The last but not the least is this turkey breast without hormones and steroids. So this is also turkey breast, old turkey breast, and I don't think there is bone here. So this is just turkey breast, and this is I'm not sure if you can see this closely. So this has 70 milligrams of cholesterol, which is 24%, and the calorie is 116. So this also has a total carbs, 0 carb. Protein is 28 milligrams. This is what Thanksgiving food is all about. Let me know which one you have tried in this food, and if you have not tried, which one is your choice. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you really find it useful, please do well to share it with friends, share it with family, and let them know about Thanksgiving food and and its nutritional fact label. So before we leave, I want you to leave down below in the comment section what you are thankful for. Yes, I'm thankful for life. I'm thankful that I'm still alive, even in the face of what is going on around the world. This is what I am thankful for. I'm thankful for my family. I'm thankful for my friends. I'm thankful for you that are watching this video. I'm actually thankful for you, and that's it. So let me know what you are thankful for, and this is your favorite friend telling you to eat what to know what to eat, but the choice is absolutely yours. See you next time. Bye.